In the history of Europe, the Middle Ages or medieval period lasted from approximately 500 to 1500 AD. Many consider Middle Ages as brutal. Is it? Law of Middle Ages was harsh because it was believed to keep people in fear of punishment to prevent them in engaging in crimes in the medieval era. Religion, too, played a central role in the justice system, influencing both the nature of legal practices and the administration of justice. The interplay between church and secular law reflected the deeply religious nature of medieval society. Join us today at Future Lawyer to understand the criminal system in medieval time with regards to crimes being committed in this specific time. Medieval crimes reflected the social, religious, and legal structures of the time. The justice system was deeply intertwined with feudal hierarchies, religious doctrine, and local customs. Stealing goods, livestock, or personal belongings was common. Murder is a serious crime at this era, where convictions are taken regarding. When a murder was discovered, local authorities, often under the lord or feudal lord's jurisdiction, would initiate an investigation. The investigation involved gathering statements from witnesses, if available. These could include testimonies from people who saw the crime or heard information about it. A formal accusation would be made against a suspect. This could be initiated by a victim's family, community members, or local officials. Once a suspect was identified, they would be apprehended by local authorities. The accused would be held in custody, often in a local jail. The trial would be held in a court with jurisdiction over the crime. This could be a manor court, a royal court, or a church court, depending on the location and the individuals involved. In many cases, a panel of judges or a jury would hear the case to extract confessions. In the medieval era, theft was a significant crime with serious consequences, reflecting the social and legal norms of the time. Theft involved the unlawful taking to be classified as petty or grand. Petty theft involved small-scale thefts, such as food or clothing, while grand theft involved more significant items like livestock or valuable property. The consequences for theft varied based on the severity of the crime. Accused individuals could seek refuge in churches to avoid immediate punishment, and the social context of theft often influenced the legal response, particularly for those in desperate economic situations overall. Theft in the medieval period was taken seriously, with legal and social mechanisms in place to address and deter the crime. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to this channel.